Happy 92nd birthday, Mother. Legacy. That's what you leave behind. Mommy enjoyed her 92nd birthday with 6 generations. She just smiled and had fun. This birthday cake was by a close family member. Simone, her great-great-granddaughter, made the chocolate-covered strawberries. 2 of the eldest family members, Mommy and me, Uncle Joe and Cam, Uncle Kenny and Cam. We had the party outside for health reasons. It was family bonding time. Uncle Bill and Cam. Men teaching men. Grandpa Chris, Uncle Bill. This man-child will know who he is. He will be a leader. He will be a king among men. Why? Because he's being groomed for his position. Each one teach one. Simone is Rye's mom. She made the chocolate-covered strawberries. Auntie Jay was there on FaceTime. I made some new handmade pillowcases in favorite leopard. Sonia, thank you so much for setting up the party. Family is everything.